Technology around us. We use it in every aspect of life. 10 years ago, world around us was different from now. Things have come long way since then, which can be wondered, and there are many pretty changes and invention that has been made. Hence, we have shown some 10 amazing changes that have come across. Before starting up the video, make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Post. In early days, communication happened through letters with stamps of their own countries. It took nearly 3 weeks to reach our dear and loved ones. Thus, communication happened in that way. Letter was sent through a closed envelope attached with a stamp and a destination address. Now, in this advanced technology, communications are possible through many different ways like phone calls, video calls, chat, messengers, and through social media. It has made us much easier to communicate. In olden days, tape recorders were used to listen to songs which were rectangular in shape with multiple round tapes. Video box, which was used to watch movies in olden days. And when floppy disk was introduced, and first 8-inch floppy disks can store 80 kilobytes, and in 1986, 3.5-inch floppy disks can store 1.44 megabytes of storage. Then later on, a CD was introduced. A normal standard CD 120 mm of 70 MB CD-ROM can actually hold 737 megabyte, and then DVD-ROM can hold 4.7 GB, which is 6 more than CD-ROM. Then in advanced technology, and pen drive with multiple storage device were introduced. A pen drive data capacity ranges from 182 MB to 256 GB. Can be found all over retail shops or internet with multiple connectors. TV. In olden days, black and white TV were famous and can be found with side button option for tuning and adjustment. Years later, color TV were introduced with similar options, and later on, color TV with remote control option was introduced. Then, in modern days, LED and LCD TV were introduced, which attracted so many people. But during in advanced technology, smart TVs are introduced with many advanced features like recording, videos, and multiple themes and so on. Train. In olden days, traveling was occasional and needed to be booked months back to get seats, and during festival and holiday time, it was impossible to get tickets. Later on, many different types of trains were introduced with AC coach and other facilities, and took nearly 3 to 4 days to reach a destination for a long distance. Now, in advanced technology, many fast moving trains were introduced. Shanghai Maldives train is the fastest moving train with 300 km per hour. April 3, 1973, first mobile phone was introduced by Martin Cooper. Years later, many mobile phones were introduced by many brand names. Button Mobile was first introduced to public, and later on mobile got amazing features and many started using it. Then touchscreen mobile of Android version came with amazing features such as camera, games and so on. Now latest mobile has triple sensor cameras and are waterproof and lot more amazing features. In olden days, in one class, many bunch of students used to sit together, read, write with chalk and slates. Later on, notebooks were introduced for each subject. During month before, instead of chalks, markers were used for the explanation. and smart boards were introduced. Now, many online classes are being conducted everywhere. Students can sit at home and learn. Shopping. People love shopping and they do shopping for the necessary things from grocery items to indoor and outdoor things. In some places, people stand in line to pay bill and choose the desired things. Now this has changed. Nearly 50% of people have moved for online shopping. Sitting at home, we can order our desired thing and payment can be done as on online transaction as also on cash on delivery. Before introducing map, compass were used as maps to show the north, south, east, west direction. Then came the map book with all information provided from location to street name, which were tricky to understand. In this modern technology, we did not worry to find any location as we have smartphone through GPS technology. Our phones will guide you to reach that particular location without any confusion. First wristwatch was introduced by Countess Koskovis of Hungary. Later on, many watches came with many different types. Additional features of day and time was introduced. Later period, watches came with an waterproof. Now in advanced technology, smartphones are introduced which has become more popular nowadays. It has many amazing features such as it can show us our heart rate, steps covered. It is built in GPS with cellular connectivity and we can access phone via watch. In olden days, cooking was done through burning dried woods. Local collected woods and they used it for cooking. Later on, LPG stoves were introduced which burns through gas cylinder. Now in advanced technology, induction stoves were introduced which runs through electricity and also has many advanced features. Do let me know in comment section which technology inspired you the most and were helpful. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and like our channel.